Hi. So now that you are an expert in SourceLinker, it's now time to learn a handy tool with all of its different functions that can help you speed up the process, let you do what you do best, and let the computer do what it does best, and to more accurately see the full scope of these records that we are attaching. So there's another video that I've got about how to install the Goldie May extension in Google Chrome. But while we are here in Google Chrome, it's already installed. I'm going to either click on the Goldie May button here, or if it's not showing up, click into your extensions, which is that little puzzle piece looking thing, and select Goldie May. It will automatically resize your window in most operating systems. And here on the side, we'll see this Goldie May tool right alongside of SourceLinker. I do have the paid version of Goldie May here, but if you have the free version, it will show this volunteering tab as well. So that is what we are going to use for now to look at this family as we are attaching sources. So here we have Abraham Rupley and Katrina Rupley here in the 1880 census, and it's wanting to attach it to an existing family in the tree. Goldie May lets us know that there's a possible duplicate for Abraham, and here's the PID number that it might be a match for. It gives us the subway map here, which shows us both Abraham and Catherine, his wife, over time. So in 1850, she was in an unknown location in the United States, and he was in Pennsylvania. And then in mid 1870s and 1880, they are both located in Illinois. And in 1910, he is located in Nebraska. So it kind of gives us a snapshot of everywhere that these people have been and their dates. If there's wildly different information here and those lines are going in different directions, then it can give us a warning flag going, whoa, these families are all over the place and not jiving too well. So with this, let's ignore the duplicate just for now, because I've taken a look at this family and it is indeed a match. But in another video, we'll take a look at possible duplicates and how to resolve those with the Goldie May tool. So in this example, we can open up the details and look and verify that this is indeed the right person. And so one of the really handy tools in Goldie May is this Show Details button here. If we click on it, it will open up all of the people's details that are listed here in SourceLinker. Likewise, we can hide all the details and collapse them back down. If we were just doing that manually over here in SourceLinker, we would have to click on each one individually. But here we have one single button that can expand all of them so that you can take a look. And so we've determined that this is a match. Let me collapse these all down so that you can see what this is doing. So we want to attach everybody that has a match, and we want to add in all of the new people to the family. So we click this gold button here, attach records and create new people. I'm going to click that and then lift my hands off of the mouse. And you can see that the computer is doing the rest. It is attaching all of the new information from the left side to the right side. It is creating new people in the tree and attaching the source to them when applicable, and going through and just doing all of the clicks for us. Once we've looked at the family, made the decision that everybody should be connected, then that one single button in Goldie May will do the rest. Now, you don't want to open up new windows and tabs and different things because Goldie May will stop working once you do that. And so you do need to just take your hands off the wheel and let it do its thing. Once it's done, then you can go and change focus person, etc., or move to a new family, whatever you need to do. But that is a simple introduction into the power of Goldie May in taking away all of that time and energy into manually clicking and attaching sources over into a family there in SourceLinker. It can do all of the work for us.